Ladies
and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And now, señoras y señores del Brazil and UFC fans watching around the world, live from the sold-out HSBC Arena in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
it will be right. there you have it, guys. The Krogan Warlord has victory! Who will be next? Krogan smash! Alright, fellow Macedoonians, it's your boy Warrior 12, aka the Phantom Slayer, and I will go over my overview with you guys as I always do. Such an easy goal solo. Started off a little rough. As you can see, the bombers were my main mayhem. I don't use this guy a lot at all. You never see me. This is another guy I don't use in a pub match, but I see why his fame is much earned. This guy here is, wow, dynamite. He is another glitchable character. Yes, of course. Oh, tech armor, damage protection. I did this. Never use it. This, of course, or this, I guess would be equally effective, because his power damage, but his power damage is also a melee damage, so I put it on 40%. You guys tell me. I don't know which one is better. I mean, apparently they're both just great for this guy, I'm assuming, but I would go with melee, because that's pretty much all you'd be doing, even if you're not using the power charged hammer, you know. And this is not the bullshit when it's purged thing that I can't stand. That's why tech armor is the way to go, man. Love tech armor. Damage reduction, 45% is all needed. Biotic Hammer, I took power and force, not recharge speed, because as you can see, I only use this on the primes. I only used it on the primes, and dude, wow, the damage was just incredible on the primes. I mean, they had like 4 health bars, one of them did, and I just smashed them. Because I took armor damage 50%, which adds another 50% to that. 50% of that, plus that. You know, of course, is shit almost, it's like 400. Let's just round it off and say 450 or 475, somewhere around there. 475 plus that, about 1300 alone. So then, yeah, let's say that would be 475 plus that when I'm doing damage on those guys. So it's around 18, like almost, just round it off to, I guess, 1800,000. Yeah, 18k of damage for armor. So, and the force bonus is ridiculous. Oh, let's get an electrical hammer. Alright, this thing here was my main killer boss. I mean not my boss killer, but my main boss weapon. I mean, he was just bossing it with this thing right here. I mean, it already does damage to shields and barriers by 75%. And okay, I mean, that thing was just amazing. You can see almost one hit, one kill. I was priming them a little bit with the Regar, with the incinerary 3 rounds, and that was just doing some deadly damage. This thing by itself, I mean, just the fire damage. I took fire damage and increased radius combo detonation. So when I was doing tech combos, which I wasn't doing enough of, because I really just jumped into the gameplay with this guy. I didn't even go over his powers. I don't use them a lot, and I kind of forget how to use them. And I mean, I know it's pretty systematic, but I mean, you could set. I could have been setting up good tech combos priming them, hitting them with this, with incendiary ammo, and really blasting them, which I was doing, to be honest. And then later, sometimes, I can't remember, I was just having so much fun with this guy that I was probably just smashing him more, and then I was hitting him with the regard, then smashing him again. So yeah, I was getting tech damages. I should have looked at my medals, and that would have told me. But I wasn't worried. I was just wanting to give you guys just some fun actions, you know, entertainment. This guy, of course, here you go, power damage 5%. Are you freaking kidding me? So right here, he's only at 12. That's interesting. I didn't pay attention to this when I spec this guy out. I get him weight capacity bonus, 30 points. I don't know if, I guess this would be worth it. The guy's so heavy. That way my recharge would just be on point, I guess. I mean, that seems, well, I don't know. I mean, they don't give the Krogans a lot of power bonuses anyway, so I guess I'm assuming that's the way to go. And of course this. Of course you want 15%. I guess you want all the power damage you could get, and all I could get was 27.50. And then weapon damage for the end. Gives them 17. So awesome. And most people put armor piercing on that regard, but for the reason that I was not using it for armor damage really at all, I was using my Biotic Hammer. I didn't go there, and then of course it went all health and shields. You could go here with this guy, I mean, and just get his which I'm surprised I didn't do that on him. I'm surprised I didn't. I don't know why I went all health and shields with this guy, but it gives him just increased damage protection by 5, which that goes all the way up to 50%. Rage melee damage bonus. Man, if I would have went here, but you know what? To be honest, this guy does not need that. He really doesn't. He don't need it. He don't need it. I mean, I guess because he's not mobile. I guess this is why I end up speccing him out this way. Because this guy, of course, he's not evasive. So I think this. I mean, dude. I mean, if there was a, you know, there's gold, platinum. If there was a diamond, I maybe need this to kill him with melee. But I mean, no. Then he's got the health regeneration, which you see, I was able to run away at certain times and let that shit regenerate. Sometimes I couldn't. I was just stuck, caught in the moment, and bombers were dropping on me. I started to play a little bit more smarter in later rounds. I brought 9 rockets because I wanted to do a fast. As always, I wanted to do a fast gold solo. I don't want to be past like 35 minutes in the gold solo. So that's why I bring certain characters to do it with, because you know, platinum solos is my primary thing I like to do. Gold solos, I've done several of them, and I'm not much obsessed with them as I am platinum solos. It's just like so much more adrenaline kicking, and just this was too though. Now with this guy, this was super duper fun. So gold solos they don't give me as much as the thrill, but they're still excellent, and they're a good way to learn the character. Gold solos are very challenging, and you do have to play strategic even with big tanky guy like this. You see, I was down to one Metagel, 1 op pack. I was going in a frenzy, man. This is hard not to do it with this guy. He's savage, and you just want to just keep giving it to him. And I almost couldn't help myself. Sometimes I said, no, you know what, dude? Let's finish this gold solo. Let's not go dumb and just die after wave 6 or something like that. I only lasted to wave 6, so I started playing a little bit smarter, playing back, using the regard, priming them, hitting them, running away, and then setting them up for my deadly combo trap again. You know, which is primary in the area. You see me staying there. We call it the corner of shame in some lobbies, but hey, it gets the job done. I mean, it's, you know, you're soloing, you want to play smart. That's where you want to be with almost every character. But when you start backing up, you can see they would spawn behind me, and they were catching me off guard with that. And then the freaking robo pigeons dropping their shit bombs on me really just pissed me off. I mean, they didn't piss me off, but I mean, they got me to where I just wanted to smash them immediately, which was causing me to get killed because I really should have just used the op pack, got out of there. I didn't, but hey, I still pulled it off. And this is my only second attempt trying this guy on a gold solo. Only second time, and I never used this guy. I never used this guy, and I mean, you know, no, all credit goes to this guy right here, not me. I mean, because he's just he's glitchable, he's tanky, and even if you don't want to glitch, hey dude, take the tech armor and either one of these hammers and the rest of this. You're gonna win. You're gonna win. Like the Biotic Hammer. Damn, as much as I thought I was going to use this thing, I did not. Like, the Regar and the electrical hammer will be fine, or just the Biotic Hammer. And I would say if you're just going to go, if you're not going to glitch them out, if you're going to just take one hammer, you could. This thing does all the freaking damage. Oh my god. I would definitely think increase impact by 100% impact to armor. I don't know, man. I would just, I don't know. It's hard to tell. I would have to pick between these two. Depends on who you're fighting against, I guess. I'll leave that to you guys. I'm not going to be the math. I'm not going to give us all a math quiz on this. I just wanted to show you some great fun action. And that's it for now. Warrior 12, aka the Phantom Slayer. Man, like, subscribe if you want to. If you don't, I don't care. This is all for fun and from all the Massifanians still playing in 2019. This is a gold solo on Geth with Cast. His name is Cast, yeah. I guess because that's how I put them all in a cast, dude. I'm going to break a leg with this guy. I'm going to break a neck with this guy. I'm going to break a skull with this guy. Cast, it is. Y'all have it. The gold solo on Geth. 33 minutes or 34 or some shit like that. Anyways, we were ready to rumble, and we're out. Peace, later, love, and respect, all that good shit. Yeah.